Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this really cool edit on Canva, like this pop out of the frame edit. So let's just select this and copy and paste that. You do need Pro for this, edit image and remove background on the second one. Select this image, go back to elements and find a frame shape that you want to use. I'll just use the star one. And I'm just going to add this image inside. Right click to lock it and place this on top of that one. And now you're just going to adjust the picture to each other. I think this is looking pretty good. There we go. And then you're just going to press shift on your keyboard to kind of delete that like half. Make sure it's like accurate though. I'm just going to select the background here. I'm just going to change the color. Let me unlock this in place so I can kind of move it up a little bit more. Then I'm going to kind of find like this neon star outline. And hopefully I find one that's good. No, let me just lock these in place again. It's super like thick. I need like a thin outline. There we go. And I'm just going to make this a little bit bigger than the shape. It's not very like similar as you can see, but I'm just going to place this underneath. Okay, let me just unlock this first, as well as this one. And I'm going to select layers. I'm going to place it underneath that one. And that is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!